Guess what? The Milky Way is actually on a collision course with Andromeda in about 4.5 billion years. Talk about a massive cosmic commute happening soon. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is actually a large barred spiral galaxy, containing between 200–400 billion stars, with various celestial objects and mysterious dark matter presence. Andromeda, on the other hand, is the largest galaxy in the local group with over 1 trillion stars. Yes, trillion, boasting majestic spiral arms and a supermassive black hole. The collision will be more like a cosmic dance, with stars passing by each other like distant ships in the dark night, creating a breathtaking celestial showcase slowly. Don't worry, the distance between stars is so vast that the chance of actual collisions happening is extremely low, creating a sense of vastness in space always. The merger will result in a new, giant elliptical galaxy with a completely different structure, altering celestial dynamics forever, creating a unique cosmic landscape. The Milky Way is already showing visible signs of disturbance from Andromeda's gravitational pull, causing star streams to flow outward slowly. The Andromeda galaxy is approaching us at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. Fasten your seatbelts, it's a collision course, not. As the galaxies collide, gas and dust will collide, triggering a frenzy of new star formation rapidly across the vast cosmic landscape, creating massive stellar nurseries. The resulting galaxy will be a giant elliptical galaxy, with older stars dominating the entire stellar population significantly as they merge. The merger will eject some stars into intergalactic space, creating a vast, diffuse halo around the new galaxy, slowly unfolding over millions of years, filling the cosmos. The central black holes of both galaxies will likely merge slowly, creating an even more massive black hole with intense gravitational pull eventually. The merger process will take billions of years, with multiple close encounters between the galaxies, involving complex gravitational interactions and significant transformations. The final result will be a massive, quiescent galaxy, with little gas left to form new stars, having exhausted its resources completely now. The collision will be a spectacle unlike anything we've seen before, with vast star-forming regions lighting up dramatically as cosmic debris interacts. The merger will be a transformative event, reshaping the very fabric of our galaxy and Andromeda, creating significant cultural and economic shifts slowly. The collision will trigger the formation of new stars, star clusters, and possibly even new planets, creating a vibrant cosmic landscape with intense radiation and strong stellar winds. The galactic merger will be a cosmic reset button, erasing the distinct identities of both galaxies slowly over millions of years, transforming them completely. The resulting galaxy will be a unique, dynamic system, with complex gravitational interactions, evolving slowly over cosmic timescales, creating fascinating astronomical phenomena. The merger will be a significant opportunity for astronomers to study complex galaxy interactions up close, observing fascinating phenomena. It's possible that our solar system will be ejected into deep intergalactic space during the merger. Talk about an epic cosmic road trip adventure suddenly. The chances of the solar system being ejected are low, but it's still a fascinating possibility to contemplate in the vast unknown of space slowly. The merger will be a slow-motion event, with the galaxies gradually merging over billions of years, creating spectacular cosmic displays and vast star-forming regions. The cosmic collision will be a reminder of the vast scales and complex dynamics at play in the vast universe, creating shockwaves. As the galaxies merge, their dark matter halos will also interact, shaping the final galaxy's complex structure through gravitational waves and cosmic evolution slowly. The final galaxy will be a testament to the immense power of gravity, carefully shaping the very fabric of space and time, creating vast cosmic structures. The merger will be a complex, dynamic process, with many uncertainties and surprises along the challenging journey ahead, creating multiple obstacles. Astronomers are eagerly awaiting the rare opportunity to thoroughly study this significant cosmic event up close with advanced telescopic equipment. The collision will be a once-in-a-lifetime spectacular event for astronomers, offering new insights into galaxy evolution and transformation processes slowly. So, will the Milky Way and Andromeda's cosmic dance end in a merged galaxy or a celestial game of cosmic billiards? Share your cosmic thoughts now.